Today we're going to cook up something new. Bull testicles. And first thing I need to do is get that membrane off. I looked up a few ways how to do this on YouTube. That's my old go-to. It looks fairly easy, but we'll see how it goes. We'll start with a small one. Oh, look, that one's already kind of... Ow! Damn it, dude! Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Maybe boiling them first is the best way. Oh. Alright, so I cannot get the membrane off these. So I'm going to boil them. Then I'm going to put them in a full bath, which is what I read was easier to get the membranes off.